Civil asset forfeiture is a process that can be involved in cases, and law enforcement can take people's assets if they suspect that they're a byproduct of or been used in crimes. And this law now requires that there actually be a criminal conviction if law enforcement takes people's property, which is a great step towards actually securing people's property rights. And it's really important for people who aren't very familiar with the legal system, maybe can't afford a lawyer, to challenge a seizure. Now they're not going to have to do that because if there's not a conviction, their property will be returned to them. And so it's good because it allows the law enforcement to still go after bad actors, but it allows people who inadvertently get caught up and are suspected of something, but aren't ultimately guilty of crimes, to get their property back. I was really gratified that Speaker Chatfield identified this as a priority. He identified it in his opening address, that criminal justice reform is something we need to work on, but he symbolically wanted to make this the very first bills introduced, this package, and that's great because there's a lot more work we need to do to work on smart, data-driven responses to our criminal justice system that will keep our community safe, but can cost us a whole lot less money and have a whole lot fewer people locked up. And so I'm excited to do that work. This bill is, I think, part of that broader bipartisan effort, and this was a legitimately bipartisan thing. There were two bills, and one Republican and one Democrat as the sponsors.